Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what is possibly the best drone with camera GPS 4K recording in its class, the Potensic Atom SE Fly More Combo. If you're in the market for a high-performance, compact, and beginner-friendly drone, this might just be the one for you. Let's kick things off with the first thing that sets the Atom SE apart. It's under 249 grams. That means no FAA registration or remote ID requirements in the US. But don't let its size fool you. This little beast is equipped with a brushless motor, giving it impressive level 5 wind resistance and rock-solid flight stability even in challenging conditions. Its foldable design means it fits easily in your jacket pocket, making it ideal for travel and adventure. Now let's talk about charging and flight time, a huge pain point for most drone users. The Atom SE absolutely crushes it here. The Fly More combo comes with a parallel 60W fast charging hub that charges 3 batteries simultaneously in just 1.5 hours. That gives you a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, nearly an hour and a half of flight time with quick recharge capability, which is rare in this price category. When it comes to the camera, Potensic doesn't hold back. This drone packs a 1/3 inch Sony CMOS sensor, capturing 12 megapixel stills and 4K video at 30 frames per second. The electronic image stabilization technology, called Shake Vanish, helps keep footage smooth and stable even during fast or sudden movements. It also features a wide 118 degrees field of view and a vertical tilt range from +20 degrees to -90 degrees, giving you cinematic flexibility for your aerial shots. For flight performance, the Atom SE includes Potensic's Surge Flight Control System, which gives you 3 distinct flight modes: video, normal, and sport. In sport mode, it can reach up to 16 meters per second, that's around 57 kilometers per hour, accelerating in just 2.8 seconds. It's not just fast, it's nimble and responsive, perfect for beginners learning the ropes and more advanced pilots pushing their limits. Now let's dig into transmission and range. With PixSync 2.0 tech, the Atom SE maintains a clear, low-latency 4K video transmission up to 4 kilometers. That's over 13,000 feet. This ensures minimal lag and strong signal reliability, whether you're flying in wide open landscapes or urban spaces. Safety and automation features are another highlight. The drone includes GPS-assisted return to home, which kicks in automatically if you lose connection or battery levels drop too low. It also supports intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, so you can get creative with your footage without constantly manning the controls. Potensic is also thinking long-term. The drone supports over-the-air firmware updates to continuously improve features, stability, and performance. Just make sure you've got a micro SD card inserted during camera-related updates. It's not included in the package, so keep that in mind. Lastly, compatibility is super flexible. The drone works with iOS 11 and Android 7.0 or above, and comes with 3 types of adapter cables: micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning. So you can connect just about any phone to the controller with ease. So to wrap it up, you're looking at a compact, powerful, and extremely user-friendly drone that punches well above its weight. Between the 4K Sony sensor, extended flight time, fast charging, and strong wind resistance, the Potensic Atom SE Fly More combo earns its place as a top contender in the world of consumer drones. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you found this video helpful. Catch you in the next one.